Hello, witch folk. Welcome to our coven.
We're Angels on Broomsticks. We're a mother-daughter duo.
And we love the makeup.
I'm Kristen.
And I'm Evangeline. And today we have the new Nomad Cosmetics palette, which is the Royal Europe palette. So, it looks like Nomad has now delved into the land of the multi-chrome.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, they've always had sort of like some duochromes and stuff, but this is like a full-on multi-chrome.
Yeah, and we just got this in PR. Thank you, Nomad. So we don't know the pricing yet as we're filming this. If, because multi-chromes are more expensive to make.
Right.
But we've got a beautiful selection of 5.
I wonder if I can even swatch a few to show you. Is it showing up, people? Here, let me just put my hands in them. Here. Can you see that? Eee. They're beautiful. They're so jewel toned. They kind of remind me of the Clionadh ones. And what I'm really liking about this palette so far, I haven't even tried it, but is how these rose columns, these will all work with the multi-chrome tone. So it's kind of setting you up for success. If you, struggle with multi-chromes, which sometimes I do.
So do I.
It's like, how am I going to blend this? What am I going to blend it into? Follow the rose. Follow the yellow brick road. There's no yellow, but follow the rose and you'll be good to go.
So you chose a row and I chose a row.
I'm going to do this greeny, grungy row. And you're doing what? This one over here?
Yeah.
The burgundy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so what the names of the colors are like names of palaces throughout Europe. Buckingham Palace is one I've been to. Oh, and the Palace of Versailles. I don't know any others really that I've been to. I went to one palace in Germany once.
Yeah, it might be here. Who knows?
I don't know.
Maybe the Schönbrunn Palace?
I was in my early 20s and I went on a trip, one of those school trippy things, with a bunch of people, and it was wild. It was the 80s.
You went
the 1980s.
When you were in school on a school trip?
It was at they had it in university, you could sign up.
Oh,
but it was all through, anybody could go, and these are people from all around the place.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Okay. I know what you're talking about.
Yeah, that's what I did. That's how I spent my final summer at university.
Oh.
It was a long time. It was 6 weeks.
It is a long time. I don't even remember this, that you told me this. Yeah, I've been to Europe. Well, we've been to London.
She's such a European traveler. I am not.
I've only been the once. Unless you count London.
Oh,
England.
I've been more than that.
Yeah, I've been to England 3 times and then did the early 20s road trip. Not road trip. Trip around with friends.
Yeah, you did it with friends, but I did it on a bus like a loser. But I went to a lot of countries.
Yeah. Well,
and then,
yeah.
Okay.
I haven't done anything
And I've been
before.
to France, with my friends. Just Paris, but that's France.
Yes. Okay, well, I'm going to delve in to Schönbrunn Palace, which maybe, is the German one. I don't know.
I'm going to actually go to the Palace of Versailles, which is the palest blue. Because I don't know about this color here. Pina.
Pina.
I'm going to go instead. I'm doing middle.
Okay.
I changed my mind.
She changed her mind, people.
I'm back in France here.
Schönbrunn.
Yeah, it's a good lesson in geography when you hang out with this brand.
Honestly, yeah. Oh my God. My mirror is
pigmented.
Do you want to go back to Europe?
I don't think about it.
Yeah.
Oh, I went to Italy. What are we talking about? Remember that trip to Italy?
A trip from hell.
It wasn't that bad, but I was by myself on most of it. It wasn't supposed to be.
Just creating a crease definition. This is a nice shade because it's kind of almost got that mustardy vibe, but it's toned down brown more.
Yeah, I like those.
Very clay colored. I'm excited to put makeup on. I haven't worn much makeup in the past few days, and it makes me feel like not myself.
Yeah. I had a depressing weekend because one of my dogs that I walk passed, and it was. I didn't know I would feel that way.
Yeah. They are our little companions, aren't they?
They are.
I'm going to go in with Neptune Fountain. And...
Is it wrong? Do you think I can mix and match?
Yeah, of course. I just like the row thing because
Me too. Okay.
Nice,
Okay. I thought it wasn't a real.
You're not.
Okay, I'm going to Great Hall, which is on my original plan. Europeans have like different kind of culture, right? Because they're the old country. So they really do have royalty.
Put it on the lower lash line a little bit. Maybe blend that Schönbrunn.
Yeah, these two blend together nice with my Great Hall and my Palace de Versailles. I'm going to take a clean brush and clean it up, though. It makes like a purple.
Just layering away. Can't wait to put the multi-chrome on.
Yeah, the multi-chromes look different in different lights.
Yeah.
Because I opened this up in the bright sunshine, and I thought something was a different color.
Yeah.
And now I'm looking at it.
Ooh,
It
which
looks
one?
This one.
Ah, that's what's going on in my eyes. So that's the fun thing about multi-chromes, though. You think you're putting something on, you're like, oh my god, this looks wildly different than I thought.
Now, how do you put your multi-chromes on? Do you use a glitter glue?
Oh, it depends on the formula, but usually I just put it on you.
I have stopped using glitter glue because I've decided glitter glue creases on me. That's why I don't like the darker multi-chromes.
I used to like glitter glue more for like Pat McGrath glitters.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That are like
flaky. Yeah.
that fly everywhere. But if it's like these sort of velvety formulae, then I'm not concerned.
Okay. Not sure how I'm going to treat my inner eye.
In a cone.
Yeah,
Leave it be.
Okay.
Everything's too jewel tony, I think, for an inner corner.
Okay, I'm going to go in. How are you going to apply your multi?
I told you. Oh, finger.
Oh, finger. Yeah, finger. Okay, me too.
What shade are you going into?
The one that's...
Royal Treasure?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going into Imperial Crown.
Ooh.
It looks very goldy green. Oh, yeah.
Holy crap. This, like, when I'm looking at it from my angle, it just looks also goldy green. And then it's going on.
It looks like peacock tones, like purple, green. Oh, this is my favorite gold type of shade.
I'm going to get a little brush and then put a little bit under my eye too. Do you do that?
Yeah, I'm going to do it. Sort of run it through the center of the top to bottom lid. This might be one of my favorite multi-chrome shades. It just seems more wearable than many can be. Office appropriate?
Okay, I'm going to see if I can use that brush that I put the multi-chrome with and blend it a bit into the color part. I wonder if people who go like red carpet, because we just watched the Oscars, and I never see their makeup really looking that hot.
Yeah, they never really do anything very...
multi-chrome.
Yeah. The red lip, of course, but there's never... Or even just like colored eyeshadow very often.
Yeah.
Huh. That is so true. You see that woman in that dress that was white and like went up this high?
Oh,
You'd
like she
see
looked like a
her
bride.
peeking out of the audience everywhere, and the poor person behind her.
Yeah, we laughed at that. Franny and I laughed. And, oh, how we laughed. She didn't care. She had no cares in the world. Good for her.
Nothing surprised me about the winners except for Jamie Lee Curtis for Best Supporting Actress.
Why?
I don't know. I thought the other people's performances were a little more Oscar-type performances. Okay, mascara, and we will be back.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, these are the finished looks. Now that we've got mascara on, we did some lips off camera just to finish it off. What did you use?
I used Rare Beauty because I'm a rare beauty. What is it? I can't read.
The shade is, oh my god, Strength Thin.
I thought it was going to be a little bit more plumby, but it's very royal, I think.
Yeah. I used, I've been obsessed with the Rare Beauty liner in Wise. I use this almost every day. Ooh, there she goes.
It's replaced.
Endless Cacao.
No way, I didn't know that. You didn't tell me.
I feel like I mentioned.
Oh, okay.
It's big news. Front page news. Wise has replaced Endless Cacao. And then Lisa Eldridge Night Thoughts. This is her formula that's more of the sheer formula. I just dibble-dabbled it on top. Felt like it tied the look together. And yeah, I'm really happy with my look today. I felt like I've achieved a multi-chrome look that I would wear out in the daytime and feel good about.
I achieved a look I feel like I could wear in the nighttime.
Yeah.
I feel like I have to tone it down a little sometimes.
Yeah. We've changed. Oh, how the mighty have fallen compared to who we used to be. But yeah, I'm excited to delve into some of these, especially for some, Insta-worthy looks or the nighttime looks. I love it. Classic Nomad matte formula, easy to use, pigmented, buildable. Ta-da!
Yeah, I'm interested to know what the cost is. We don't know as of yet.
Yeah.
But I'm sure what's great about Nomad is it's very affordable, but not in a cheap way. It's a very, very, very good formula.
Yeah. Yeah. So stunning. Gorgeous. Yes. Let us know in the comments down below if you are thinking of picking this up. Or just let us know your favorite Nomad palettes, because we know a lot of you have come to know and love the Nomad, so we'd like to know.
Also, let us know what castles you visited in Europe.
Oh, yeah. Let us know. Is there a Scotland one? I want to go to some Scotland castles. But that's not very royal, actually. That's more like spooky.
Yeah. Well, they had that haunted house, palette, and that was the haunted mansions of Europe. Yeah.
They mentioned, I think, some Scotland things in that one. Yeah. Anyway. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Stay witchy. Stay
witchy.
Have a good week.
Bye, witches.